Good day everyone. Today, I will explain the American government in the Philippines. After the United States took control of the Philippines, President William McKinley said their goal was to educate Filipinos and prepare themselves government. However, the US also had hidden motives. They wanted to expand their power, use the Philippines for trade and raw materials, and establish military bases in Asia. Instead of continuing armed resistance, many Filipino elite chose to cooperate with the Americans. This led to establishment of American rule, which first began as a military government under generals like Wesley Merritt and Arthur MacArthur. Later, the Americans introduced a civil government. They built schools, established courts, and allowed Filipinos to participate in governance. They also held elections like the first one in Bulacan under General Henry Lawton. Overall, the American government helped develop system of education and governance, but it also served US political and economic interests.